All right, everybody. So this video is a video that's designed to show you how to use an expression comparison mat, which you see here, where you have a left side of an expression and a right side expression, and you have to determine which one is greater. To do that, you're going to need to use legal moves, okay? And I'm going to demonstrate what those legal moves are. Okay, so the first legal move that you can use is called flipping. I like to use flipping when we have a negative tile living in the negative area. If you think about what that actually means, it's saying the opposite of negative. So opposite of -1 is actually +1. So I could actually flip that right up here, make it a +1. Anytime you move something across this dashed line in the middle, you have to change the tile color or make negatives positive and vice versa. Okay. I could also do the same over here. I have in the negative area, I have -1 and -1. The opposite of -1 is +1, so I can flip that up here. The opposite of -1 is +1, so I can also flip that up here, make it positive. That is called flipping. Okay, you could technically flip every single thing. I like to take negatives that live in the negative area and make them positives living up top in the positive area. Okay, the next method that you can use is called zero pairs. Right, for zero pairs, I first like to look in just like a positive area and see if we have a +1 and -1 or positive y and negative y. So at the top, you can see we actually have a zero pair. +1, -1, that's 0. You could take those off. Here's another one, +1, -1, +1, -1, zero pairs. I'm going to look over on the right side now, +1, -1, and one more. Okay, kind of looking around here. Okay, I don't see any more zero pairs up here. I'm going to look down here. No zero pairs. That's just -4. That's -2. That's -2y. The one sneaky zero pair that's kind of here that a lot of people will miss is there is actually one more zero pair on this left side. Up here you have a positive y. It looks like you have two positive y's down here, but you need to look where they're living. Live in the negative area. So that's actually a negative y right here. So you could take this tile with this tile or whatever y you choose. Okay, that's another zero pair. All right. All right. The last method that you can use is called balancing. And basically, in balancing, you remove like tiles from both sides. So you notice the tile is the same on the left as the same as the tile on the right. Okay. So I actually see two that are quite obvious. Like here's -1, here's -1. So like this tile and this tile come off together. That's balancing. Same for this. -1, -1. Same tile, both sides. That can come off. That's a legal move. Okay, I don't see any more negatives to come off. Ooh, I actually did miss a zero pair, though. -1 and +1. On. Okay, so now we have this left. You kind of have to think about this a little bit. We have a negative y here and a negative y here. Although they look different, they live in different areas, and they have different colors, they're actually the same. If you wanted to actually flip this one, so again, right here, this one down here on the left side is negative y because of where it lives. You could flip it up here. There's negative y, and now we have balancing. Same tile both sides, gone. And I'm left with, on the left side, nothing, 0, and then -1 on the right side. So which is greater? You would say that the left side is greater. 0 is greater than -1. All right, so that's an example of how to simplify using legal moves. Again, those are flipping, making zero pairs, and balance. Hope you enjoyed.